Cracked heels might be a familiar sight, and we have so many causes, but we are going to narrow down to two, which are the major ones, the ones that affect majority of the people out there. Now, the first one is having medical conditions, the skin issues, like for example psoriasis, we have plantar dermatosis, we have vitamins deficiencies, and this you simply fix those cracks by first of all taking care of the underlying condition. If you have vitamin deficiencies, make sure that you have them. Like for example, vitamin C, we have vitamin A, vitamin D. Vitamin C contributes to the structure of your skin because of a production of collagen and so many other things. Now, when it comes to psoriasis and plantar dermatosis, first of all, manage those conditions before going to deal with the cracks themselves. Now, let's go to the physical exposure, which is the second most, and this is actually where majority of the people falls. You expose your feet to the environmental conditions, the oils on your skin, they're exposed to maybe evaporation, maybe being rubbed off, or dust accumulating there and absorbing that. And then you have that continued exposure, your skin will dry off. And when that happens and you're not moisturizing your skin, it will end up drying and cracking. And when this happens and it continues cracking for a long time, you might even start bleeding. Now, I'm going to go to how you treat this, how you get rid of those cracks. But then, first of all, make sure that yours are not bleeding or they're not infected. If your cracks are dry and they are bleeding, you wait until they heal before you start off by physically removing those cracks. And this is what you are doing right now. Now, first of all, soak your feet and exfoliate that layer, the dead layer on your feet. You can use foot scrubbers. We have pumice stones. Make sure that you get rid of as much of that dead skin as possible. And then you dry off the excess water and apply thick moisturizers. We have a category of them. We have so many of them. Ask for those. We have thick moisturizers. And after applying that, apply petroleum jelly on top of that. Now, the function of this petroleum jelly will be to seal off the moisturizer from evaporation. Now, after application of the petroleum jelly, make sure that you cover that area either in socks or use something that we call heel sleeve, this one here. It actually might come with a moisturizer, so you don't actually need to use petroleum jelly. If it comes with moisturizer, use that one and a heel sleeve only. You can just do this for a continued period of time until they disappear, because this you'll have to make it a routine. If you're getting cracks due to the exposure and you're wearing those open shoes, try to use closed shoes on a regular. So try to make them a routine, because when you do that, then you're going to accumulate that moisture around your feet and you're not going to have it. Actually, they usually disappear on their own. So you can just continue wearing those closed shoes for a continued period of time until they disappear.